Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today's video is gonna be a little bit unboxing. It's not gonna be a longer one. We're gonna open a tight grill inverter. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna see this after our regular intro. Alright guys, so we are back and we go into this one. Alright, you can see it. We just received the package, and what we ordered was it's gonna be a power grill time. So this is the product. You can see it. It's 1,000 watt. This is what we solar panel, so you don't need no battery. And this is the inverter. So that's the only thing I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, you can see it. This is for the guarantee. We don't need that for the China. If you read Chinese, there is some Chinese later. Oh, we got it right here in English too. And this is the inverter. We got something for the cable, so that's gonna go right here. That's gonna be for the battery or solar panel you wanna use. This cable, that's what you use to transfer the electricity to the house, and it's only working if you get power out of the grill. So that means the grill, if you don't have no electricity in the house, this thing gonna be off. So that's for safety when the electric work is working outside, so that way you don't be feeding power back when they got the grill off, the power grill off. And that's the best thing, so you don't have to go and do all the breaking stuff if it's needed, not needed. So here we go. Now let's talk about this guy. This is a Berber 1,000 watt. It works from 20 to 44 volt solar panel or battery. Now it's got 1,000 watt, but really you can only output out of these ones about 750. 750 to, we can say 650 to 750. Now the reason is because this thing get too hot if you go over that, and it's good to keep it in that low level, so that way you very safe zone, and the inverter can last at least between 5 to 6 years. Now if it's working, I don't know. The other research I needed for this one, this is gonna be a test I wanna do in it. I got one solar panel. I wanna see how much output, how much we can save in electricity and stuff like that. This is gonna be a test for you guys, especially us. We're looking for saving on the mining rig side. So this is one of the episodes we're gonna start it, and we are back. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you to the next one. I also gonna show you when we do the installation for this one, and I'll see you then. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.